Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I have my last official unboxing for 2022. Yes, it's official. I am closing out the year. This is my last luxury item purchase for the year. I am putting myself on ban island for the first few months, probably for the first entire quarter of 2023. I've been a bad girl, but I did want to share this with you guys. I apologize for the lighting. I know it's a bit dark. It's evening. I am still recovering. I have a really bad cold, and I've been in bed for most of the last couple days. So again, forgive me if I sound not myself, but I did want to hop on here and just go through this unboxing with you guys and get it up and load it into YouTube before the end of this year. It is officially Friday evening, the 30th, as I am filming this. So I did want to go ahead and just get this done for you guys. So as I mentioned, I have a special unboxing. This is my last official luxury purchase for the year. I did purchase this recently when I went into the New York City. This is, if you know Celine, if you know the Phoebe Philo old Celine era, this particular item was introduced in 2011 by Phoebe Philo. Phoebe Philo was their, I'm going to batch that. Phoebe Philo was Celine's creative director from 2008 to 2017. Minimalist, female inspired styles. A lot of the items that you know and Celine is well known for today were inspired and created by Phoebe Philo herself. So love her style, love everything that she's brought to the brand. She really emphasized the minimalist female look that Celine is known for, and a lot of Celine's classic timeless styles are from Phoebe Philo's era. So why don't we go ahead and get right into this? I'm sure most of you, if you know Celine and you know Phoebe Philo, you can probably guess what this item is. This is technically considered part of Celine's classic bag collection and probably one of Celine's most famous bags. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Now, most luxury fashion houses are doing this where they're no longer providing you with an actual box. You get a bag, you get a dust bag, but that is really it. So we get this nice, big, beautiful dust bag. It's sort of like I want to say it almost feels like a nylon mix. I don't know if there's going to be a fabric or material insert in here, but I'll try and find that for you guys. So it's got a nice ribbon here, black ribbon on both ends. You can easily pull that apart to open up the bag, and voila, here she is. This is the Celine Classic Box Bag. The reason it is called a classic box bag is because of the box calfskin leather that it's made with. Yes, this is called box calfskin leather. It is calfskin, and you can see some of the imprints I'm leaving because my hands are hot and sweaty. As I mentioned, I'm recovering from a cold. But look at that shine. Look at how beautiful. This is, as I mentioned, box calfskin, but it is a little more durable. This bag is known for its classic, timeless, chic, minimalist Parisian style. It's very French, classic, Parisian, not in your face, not a lot of labels. The name is not anywhere on the exterior of the bag. This bag is really for those that are true Celine and luxury handbag lovers that would know. They would really be the only ones that would know. I love this because if I do travel for work or I have to go into the city for business, I can bring this bag along with me and not worry about looking too bougie, right? Or too in your face with my labels. Don't get me wrong, I love my labels, but there's a time and place for everything, right? And sometimes with business and work, it doesn't always feel the best. So as I mentioned, this exudes that timeless Parisian chic aesthetic. It is very understated. It's timeless. You've got this antique brass hardware, which I'm just gonna go ahead and peel that sticker back for you guys. Now, I did see this bag in store when I purchased it, but this is a true unboxing. I've not opened this bag up prior to today. As you can see, I have all the stickers on it. So it's got that antique brass hardware, and I'm sorry I'm smudging it with my fingers, but look at how beautiful that is. It's got that antique brass, so you don't have to worry about it scratching as much. It's a little bit more antique-y and sort of worn in, right? And then you open it up, and there is that beautiful Celine name. That's really the only place, with the exception of maybe on the hardware a bit, That's really the only place where you actually see the name. This bag will stand the test of time. This is a bag that has been very popular since it came out and has remained popular. It's a staple, I think, in any luxury wardrobe. You see a lot of influencers, celebrities, a lot of the Instagrammers even that are influencers that are known for that timeless Parisian chic style are wearing this bag, and it's really just a beautiful bag. Now, you can find this bag pre-loved. You can save thousands, if not hundreds of dollars pre-loved. I've seen and followed multiple variations of this bag on Fashion File. I think I currently am following one in the small size in a different color, but the black in the medium size is a little bit harder to find. This is what is known as the true classic. Although when I was in store, I did try on what they now call the teen. It is a new version of the small. So they originally made this bag in the medium, which I have here, the small, but the small for some reason did not fit some of the larger cell phones, right? So I can't show you because I'm filming on my phone right now, but I have the iPhone 12 Pro Plus, and it fits perfectly in this bag. It did not fit in the small, or wouldn't fit in the small. So the new creative director, I believe, and I may get this wrong, but I believe the new creative director that took over for Phoebe Philo recreated the small into a teen size. And I know the name is a little bit deceiving. It is actually slightly bigger in size than the small. So the teen size can actually fit a cell phone. And the store associate actually shared with me that they redesigned the small for that purpose, so that in the teen size you would be able to fit a plus size cell phone, which you can. I did try it in store. It did fit in the front flap. In the back it was a little bulky. I could barely get it in, but the front flap, it did fit nicely. I loved the look and feel of the teen, but I really, and it was very close. I was almost going to purchase the teen, but I went with the medium because I knew this was the classic. This is the one I always wanted, and in my opinion it was a little more versatile. Two of the things you can do with the medium size that you can't do with the small or teen is you can actually, and I won't be able to show you on today's video, but I promise you I'll film another if you guys would like. Just comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. But when you put the strap on, you can actually double it up and make it like a smaller handbag. Not like a clutch, but like a gosh, I'm forgetting, I'm drawing a blank. But you can convert it into a clutch. Yes, you can remove the strap entirely, as I have here. You've seen some trendsetters and Instagrammers and influencers wear it just like so, like a clutch. They'll wear it underneath their arm, and it looks great. But you can also put the strap and double it up and wear it sort of like a top handle bag. Yes, that's the word I was looking for, the top handle bag. And it looks great. So I love the versatility. You can wear it as a shoulder bag. I will probably wear it as a crossbody. That's probably my preference. And I just love how you have all these options here. You have lots of compartments for organization. You could probably slip a cell phone if you have a smaller phone in here without the case. You have this nice big zipper in the back. And it's all calfskin leather. I mean, it's just stunning, stunning, stunning. It's just beautiful. Absolutely adore this bag. I'm so happy that I was able to find one in this size and color. Please comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this bag. If you already own this bag, what your experience has been. Has it held up? Has it stood the test of time? And if you don't own this bag, is this something that is on your list that you are looking to perhaps add? Maybe, in 2023, you can include it in one of your wish list items. So definitely be sure to subscribe and comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. I am also going to ask that you follow me on Instagram. If you don't already, I'm on Instagram and on TikTok. Be sure to follow me there. I will be filming a follow-up video for you guys going on an in-depth review of this bag with the strap, how to remove it, all of the bits and pieces regarding this bag. But thank you so much for staying tuned. I hope you love this video, and I can't wait to hear from you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.